Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a bird that if you see, you'll immediately say, wow, what is that bird? The common emerald dove. Also called Asian emerald dove and grey-capped emerald dove. Widespread resident breeding pigeon native to the tropical and subtropical parts of the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Bright green wings, coral red bill and ash grey forehead. Male has an extensive silver cap which the female lacks. Inhabits various forested habitats from lowlands up into mountain areas. Their calls are like locally named Neela Kobeyya. The common emerald dove is the state bird of the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. I have seen the common emerald dove in few places. One such place is Independence Square in Colombo, where we visit regularly. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video about the spot-billed eagle owl.